Hi, this is Dr. Moore. I just want to say thank you so much for choosing our office. We're going to talk about the rehabilitative supplements that you purchased to help rebuild broken down nerve tissue. So this is called Nitric Balance, and it's a liquid, and it's in your refrigerator. What you're going to do is the very first morning you're going to take a tablespoon, that's the big spoon in the house, and you're going to drink that. Within 5 minutes, you should feel some warmth in your hands, maybe your face, maybe your feet. You should feel some warmth there. If you don't feel warmth, at lunchtime that very same day, you're going to take 2 tablespoons. And again, within 5 minutes, you should feel some warmth in your hands, your feet, or your face. If you don't feel it, then the very next morning, you're going to take 3 tablespoons. And you should again feel some warmth in your hands, your feet, or your face. If you don't, then that afternoon, you're going to take 4 tablespoons. And that's where we quit. And you should feel some warmth or some in your feet, or your hands, or your face. But let's say, for instance, you feel warmth after 2 tablespoons the first afternoon. You're going to do those 2 tablespoons for about 2 weeks. You're going to do it just once in the morning. That's it. Every morning you're going to do 2 tablespoons, because what we've done is we figured out where you're at. We want to work ourselves down after those 2 weeks to just 1 tablespoon. So every other day for another week you're going to do 1 tablespoon one morning. The following morning you're going to do 2 tablespoons. And after that week you're just down to 1 tablespoon. If you start out at 3 tablespoons, you're going to do 3 tablespoons for 2 weeks. And then you're going to work yourself down 1 week. You're going to do 3 tablespoons one day, 2 tablespoons the next day. The next week you're going to do 2 tablespoons one day, 1 tablespoon the next day. Eventually working yourself down to just 1 tablespoon in the morning every day. Now, as you're doing this, you don't have to feel that warmth and that heat, that warm sensation. You just need to do it. We're going to find out where you're at and attenuate down. If you have any questions about this, please do not hesitate to call the office, 810-225-7246. Now, there's also some other supplements that go with this, and that is going to be the Neuro O2 and the Glutathione Recycler. You're going to take one of each of these 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening, and you will have enough supply for 3 months worth. So 1 Neuro Oxygen, Neuro O2, and 1 Glutathione Recycler every morning, every afternoon, every evening before you go to bed. All right? So if you have any questions about the supplementations that you purchased to help rebuild and give your body the neuronitrates it needs to rebuild those nerve tissue, please call our office, 810-225-7246. I do want to say on a personal note, I'm very, very proud of you. You are doing something to make your life better. And that's a great thing. So you're awesome. God bless you. Have an awesome day.